Okay guys, I'm getting on, just finishing these curls here. I curled this over here, I curled this over here, and now I'm going to finish curling this piece in the front. And we do have a client in the store trying on some wigs, so let me know if you have any questions. Again, my name is Janice. I'm the owner of Magic Hair Company. We are located here in Culver City, California, USA. I've been in business for 10 years now, and when I tell you I have the best glueless and full lace wigs, believe me. We also have our very own hair care product line. It's a keratin shampoo and conditioner available on our website, magichaircompany.com. That is the only place you can get my wigs, on the website and here in my Culver City store. Do not be fooled by any imposters saying that they are magichaircompany.com. Specifically, the website scamming people is magicwigs.shop. They have some sort of 3 for $55 wig special. We are the real Magic Hair Company located in the USA. This is our logo here, and we do not have 3 wigs for $55. We only have the best quality Swiss lace human hair wigs, and our wigs start at about $300 and go up from there. So do not get scammed by imposters.
It is? And then look at the bottom. So this looks like wave. This is the wave. I thought mine was curvy. I don't know. It probably is. I don't know. But this is dividing where it's bigger.
Ooh, this is cute. Whose is this?
Nobody.
This is cute too.
We're located in Culver City, California, and we are currently open Monday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6 p.m.
Okay, let me try on one of the darker ones. So, what are these textures up there?
These are dividing. These are just, we don't usually have three body waves like this, but it's jet black.
Oh, I want to try that. I haven't worn jet black hair in ages. I just want to see what it looks like on me.
Of course, my flat iron fell. We have glueless wigs in store. All of our wigs are full lace or front lace and glueless. You can of course choose to glue or sew down your wig, but they are designed to be glueless. And my battery power is at 20%, so that means I need to hurry to finish this video.
You gotta take it off on both sides.
Oh. Okay, let me start with this one. Okay. So I can't just do this?
You can, but if it's still gonna be twisted, then you have to take it. Like sometimes it's still twisted, you change that one side.
That's right. That's what I run into when I'm at home.
Yeah,
I was like, how come I
still,
can't get this
yeah,
right?
sometimes it's still twisted, so you have to take it all off and then do it.
Is it what I am? Okay. I'm gonna try that. I used to love me some jet black hair. Okay. Actually, I think it's hard. Alright. Here we go.
What's that, the jet black 20 inches?
22.
22 inches?
Yeah, 22 full length jet black.
Oh, I have not seen myself in
I don't, that makes you look old.
Yeah, I know. It's so weird because I used to love
Jet black makes people look old.
I used to love jet black hair, and now it doesn't look right on me.
I tell clients that all the time, like,
But now it's like, maybe it's not me anymore. Okay, let's see. Red has a bang, so that's for some reason that's calling me.
That one is not pressed out, so you might not get the true look of it.
Oh, it's
But
not.
it's a kinky straight. But you might like, I'm gonna take it down to kinky.
Yeah, I think that's cute. It's a bang. So you can just cut bangs?
Yeah, that big and a kinky straight.
we can cut bangs, layer, and style any of our units for you guys. There's no additional charge for that at Magic Hair Company. Styling is included. Again, our wigs are only available at magichaircompany.com. And here in our Culver City store.
Flip to the back. Oh yeah, I don't get the full effect.
Yeah, it needs to be pressed up.
Okay. It looks like, what do they say, rabbit run? Oh gosh, that was fun. Alright, ooh, there's a purple one with bangs.
It's short, it's short.
Yeah.
Have you tried it?
No.
You don't follow it.
I think so? Oh boy, let me see. Oh gosh. You guys know I love my colors. Oh gosh.
We do custom color here in store, so if you're looking for a wig colorist, you found us. We can customize the color on your units any way, almost any way you can imagine.
This is so cute.
So that one is a taller 5.
Oh my gosh, so is this like the belly? Just like
It's
the one?
the same word, just a different color.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, for some reason this length is my jam now.
It's the cut.
Yeah, it's cut, this length.
You don't have 175 yet, but once we get 175 in stock, you can love 175.
What's that?
It's 2 inches longer, so it's a deeper bob, but it's cut so pretty. It frames your face so well. I love that.
Okay, when are you guys getting it?
About 3 weeks.
Okay, well, and then what color is it?
It'll be in the natural color.
Oh, okay.
But then, you know, we can color it for you any way you want.
That's right. So basically it's like the one I have that's full lace?
It's like
Yes, it's like that one, but 2 inches longer, and it's front lace.
Oh, okay, so how many inches?
14.
14. Oh.
Unit number 175 is a very popular 14-inch long bob. It's one of our most popular units here. So if you're just tuning in, all of our wigs have a 3-digit unit number. Unit 175 is a 14-inch front lace, silky straight bob.
I got one more. Where's my other top?
Again, ladies and gentlemen, our wigs are only available at magichaircompany.com or here in our Culver City store where we're currently open Monday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6 p.m. If you need a quality wig to go out the house with, to be Zoom ready for, or just to replace some hair that you may have lost for whatever reason, we here at Magic Hair Company pride ourselves in having the best glueless, full lace, and front lace wigs here, and we can customize the color for you. And wig styling is available as well. Is that my phone?
Yeah.
But my phone's not ringing, but all my other devices are. Well, whoever is FaceTiming me, I have to finish curling my hair on live first, and then I'll call you back because work is my priority. And if my family will watch my lives, they will stop FaceTiming me in the middle of when I'm trying to finish curling my hair. I'm just kidding, guys.
That was cute.
Did you sell that wig there?
Which one?
The one that I cut?
I think so, like 3 weeks ago. I remember us having a conversation about one that you cut and I sold, but I don't remember what it looked like.
This is gorgeous.
Red looks good.
I love the red. I do get a lot of compliments when I wear Jessica.
Jessica's a sexy wig.
Yeah, it is.
This wig's about to be sexy with all these curls in it.
Totally. Yeah, I love the curl. That's first one that I've had made. It fell off, like kind of slid back on a date I was on.
Oh no.
Thankfully, I didn't like the guy that much.
Like,
He was a total corn cake, but
Did he tell you?
no, I could just feel something. Cause see, the first person I ever had made me a wig was Alicia, and she completely conned me. She's actually Sarita's hairstylist, and she put together a wig without measuring my head. Cause I basically was like, yeah, I want you to do it, but I didn't like tell her we were like a go. So I showed up to just a regular hair appointment. She's like, oh, I already made it. And I was like, wait.
she gave you somebody else's old wig.
She did. Did I ever show you that one? Where
No.
the closure and the body was two different textures, and I didn't know it until I washed it. And so when I washed it, the closure was
Right, she
curly.
definitely gave you somebody else's
Yeah,
wig.
the closure was all curly, the rest of it was straight, and then when I looked on the inside, the cap clearly was used.
Oh, that's
So there was a
disgusting.
bunch of, like, it just didn't look new.
Ooh,
basically,
Emma.
And I can't explain it. I'm gonna bring it in so you guys can see it sometime. But I paid $500 plus for that, and I just didn't know any better. She did. She did.
Definitely shop with Magic Hair Company so you don't get got for your wigs, guys.
I just didn't know any better because that was the very first time somebody had actually made me a wig. So it wasn't until I just stopped going to her.
Right.
So, but it wasn't until I watched it that I was like, because I just didn't know. I didn't know that.
Right, because if she's piecing together
hair.
hair and flat irons it, you as a client don't know that those are different
Exactly.
textures or
I didn't
even the
know.
quality until you've washed it and it's too late.
Exactly. And then I brought it back to her because I was like, well, I think it needs like some color or something. So she completely ruined the wig. I told her I just wanted color, and she actually cut bangs into it, and she cut all this, and then it thinned out, and then.
Well, who
color
told her
was
to cut it?
pasty. Exactly. So she.
That's the benefit of coming in and shopping with us
Never
here
went back
in
to her
store,
again.
ladies and gentlemen.
She's
You know
still-
what you're getting. I'm the owner. I stand by all of my wigs.
She'll still be like looking at all my stories and looking at all.
Because a lot of them stylists that do that, nobody says anything to them. So they're selling these crappy wigs and
Yeah.
crappy hair.
I'm
And there's
gonna bring it-
always.
You can do a live. You can do a live and dedicate it.
I'm on live.
No, I mean,
Oh,
like,
like-
bring it in so that you
Oh,
can
yeah.
see what this custom wig that I paid $500 for, what it ended up being, and how I got completely conned. And so
Crazy.
that was when I actually could kind of afford it, and I just didn't know about you yet. So I was like, oh, let me have somebody make this, and then I just ended up getting totally screwed over.
And how many wigs do you have from us now?
I think we're up to 11. We're at least 11.
Shop with us if you want the best, ladies and gentlemen. You get what you pay for here at Magic Hair Company. We have quality wigs. This hair is going to last you for years. It's not going to melt. It's not going to burn. It's not going to mat up. My name is Janice and I stand by all of my wigs here.
Exactly.
It's quality hair that I have here.
Yeah, I learned I got screwed over a couple times. And I told you about the whole Gina Everett story, right?
Mm-mm.
Oh, that's on Yelp. So I can show you that one.
What happened?
So she was another one where someone gave me hair to, bake basically like here. So she's like, oh, I can make you a wig. So, oh yeah, the whole story's on Yelp, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pull that up so I can show you exactly what took place. And then I put a picture on there, and so she thought she was slick. She thought she could just delete all the pictures on her page. And she realized that she could only delete the ones that she put up.
Right.
And so the only one that's left is the one I put up. And so she like shut
Hello.
her business down.
Now a business going?
Yes, we have some right here. The black ones right here.
My mom, my sister.
Absolutely.
Oh, yes, this is the place.
You see, let me grab it. Let me grab it for you. It's this one right here. Yep, the top one. That one's our brochure. That one right there. Yep. We're black owned here in Culver City. I'm the owner. We have the best wigs, so send your mom, your auntie, your girlfriends. Send them all in here. Yes.
Here, they don't fall off. Look.
Right, I got the best.
Look.
Prices,
It's quality
This is
prices.
quality, 100% human hair.
Mhm.
Don't get better.
Yeah, thank you.
okay, not a problem. And when is Like,
Yep, it's right on the card, magichaircompany.com.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
all right, no problem.
We'll see you soon.
Got the hair right here too.
We're not currently doing wig installations, but we make custom wigs. So we do custom human hair, high quality wigs. If they want the best, send them in here. Or you get them a gift card and send them in here.
Hey.
Oh, yeah, I know what you mean.
He's funny.
So yeah, I know what you're getting at.
Okay, everybody, I'm done curling this hair today.
I'll read you guys this. This is ultimately what she made. It took 3 months for her to
Maybe
make
I'll
this.
curl this piece
I
here.
wanted a gray wig.
Braid is the hardest.
She should have just said she couldn't do it. She should have just been honest with me and said, I can't do this. This is out of my scope.
You can get braided.
And so here's what happened. When I said, you know what, let's just call a truce. I'll donate the hair to Locks of Love. Because, I mean, it still could have been used for somebody, you know, that was bald and wanted something. She gave my hair away. She actually, yeah, she said, I don't have it anymore.
You can't just give people's hair away.
I told my mom I was gonna sue her. My mom was like, don't waste your energy, just don't go back to her. My mom never wants me to sue her.
And that's the problem with a lot of stylists. They think they can treat people however they want,
Yes.
and that they're
Yeah.
not going to do anything. Even I find that when I'm trying to get my hair done in LA, stylists are like, let me see your Instagram profile. First of all, you don't need to see my Instagram
Yeah.
profile for me to
No.
book a hair appointment with you.
Exactly.
But that's why we have our store here, ladies and gentlemen. Because if your hairstylist is available or not treating you like they value your money, come on in and shop with us here at Magic Hair Company. We are located in Culver City, California, and we will get you a quality wig.
3 months for her to make this wig.
What'd she do to it?
She ruined the hair. She tried to dye it. She put it in the microwave.
In the microwave?
Yeah, because she told me that she was trying to try some trick with the color.
No.
And then she comes up with this. So, do you guys want me to read this to you?
Read it.
All right. So.
Wait, let me finish this up.
Okay.
Okay, guys, thank you for watching. I curled this wig today again. Don't get bamboozled by any other websites. Magicwigs.shop is a scam. They are not associated with us or any of the pictures on their fake website. My website is magichaircompany.com. We have the best full lace and front lace wigs. Thank you guys for watching. This is our website. This is our logo here. We have our very own hair care product line. Again, my wigs are only available at magichaircompany.com. We have the best glueless, full lace, and front lace wigs available. We're located here in Culver City, California. Our current hours of operation are Monday through Saturday, 10:30 to 6. We are Magic Hair Company, ladies and gentlemen, where we are changing lives one custom wig at a time. See you soon. Bye.